Subscribe to Techno Brine channel for latest videos and updates. Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Creative Pebble 2.0 speakers. So let's get started. These are the Creative Pebble 2.0 speakers. These are meant to be kept on desktop. And let's open the box. First of all, we have this tiny box and it has some documentation in it. Here we have the speakers itself. Let's unwrap the cable first. These are USB powered speakers. So these speakers have a 3.5 mm audio cable and a USB power. These are golden speakers with black body. This is the power cum volume knob. And this is the input specification, which is 5 volts and 1 ampere. And these are the rear speakers. Both of the speakers have a rear speaker, and these are to increase the bass output. Let's have a look at the speakers. It's time for a quick sound test now. Bass and treble is balanced and the overall sound quality is very good. I recommend these speakers for desktop purpose. And that's all. This was the sound test. If you have any doubt or comment, you can put it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.